Now let's talk about the most common condition that comes from the underwriter once your loan comes out of the initial underwriter, that initial review for approval. And that is sourcing large deposits into your bank account. In mortgage lending, when we say that we need to source a large deposit, what we are saying is that we need to paper trail that deposit. So let's make up a situation here. And let's say that you are in the process of purchasing your new home, and the loan officer gives you a call and says, congratulations, your loan is out of the initial underwrite and your loan is conditionally approved, or it's approved with conditions. And one of those conditions is that we see a large deposit going into your bank account and we need to source that. So on a VA loan, any deposit into your bank account that is greater than 1% is considered a large deposit. For example, let's say that you are purchasing a house for $300,000 and you have a deposit into your bank account that is greater than $3,000. We have to source that deposit or paper trail it. So here's another example. Let's say that you just sold a vehicle and you received $6,000. Okay? We would need the bill of sale as a paper trail. So now we can source that, right? We can build a paper trail that says that this is legitimate money. Now you might be asking, why do you even care about my deposit? This goes back to the Patriot Act of 2001, in which we must adhere to federal law. Okay? And that law is that we have to ensure that all monies are legitimate. Okay? You gotta make sure that there's no laundering. You gotta make sure that these aren't funding terrorist activities. And hopefully this helps you to understand that when we come to you and tell you that we need to source a particular deposit or maybe a couple of deposits, we're not trying to be the bad guys on any level. We're actually trying to help your loan get closer to the closing date. And we're not trying to pry into your life, but we do have to make sure that we're sticking to the Patriot Act of 2001. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being one of our nation's heroes. Take care.